Okay, I wanted to do just a very quick video on the passenger side blend air motor for a Trailblazer or Envoy or all the other variations of this vehicle. And you can't get this motor out unless you pull this dash support out, and that is very difficult. Well, okay, not very difficult, but quite involved of a job. So I'm going to show you how to do it the easiest and quickest way. First, you're just going to pull out your glove box. If you're lucky like Connor, yours is broken, so it pulled itself out. Then we just need to cut out a piece of metal. It sounds kind of scary, but it's not, don't worry. This little piece right here blocks you from being able to pull the blend air motor out. I promise there is no way to get this blend air motor out unless you cut this. So what I used was a Milwaukee M12 oscillating tool, just with a metal bit. And you don't want to use a Sawzall because there's important junk back behind there, and the blade will damage it. You'll be in a worse spot than you were before. So just get you an oscillating tool, push the blade in this direction, and cut either of those ends, and then you can pull your blend air motor right out. So I think the rest of it is pretty self-explanatory. If you're in this position searching this video, you probably already know a lot of that knowledge that this door needs to come out. Otherwise, there is no way you're going to be able to replace it. And then these don't require any programming, but what's a good thing to do is go ahead and go from full hot to full cold and just make sure that these markings line up. So there are 3 markings at the bottom, a little one on the right, one in the middle, and one in the left. So one position is cold and one position is hot. You just want to make sure that there are no blockages in the linkage in your HVAC box before you button this up and call it done. So hopefully that helps you out. I'll put a link in the description on where to get one of these blend air doors that's good quality. It's not going to fail on you prematurely, as well as the tool that I used for this. You don't have to buy the tool from the link, but at least you'll be able to see what the tool looks like to cut this out, because you don't want an angle grinder in there, you don't want a die grinder, you don't want a recip saw, none of that. But anyway, hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.